An avatar is the term normally applied to the physical form that the spirit of an Aeldari god has managed to possess and animate in real space. The term is most often applied to the physical wraithbone body possessed by a fragment of the spirit of the Aeldari god of war and strife, Khaine, though the term can actually apply to any divine entity of the warp that has found some way to take on a corporeal form on the mortal plane of existence. By far the most well-known avatar is that of Khaine, but recently a new Aeldari god, Ynid, the god of the dead, has begun to awaken. Ynid also has an avatar in the material world known as the Unkarn. At the heart of every Ashurni craft world sits the avatar of Khaine, its own incarnation of the bloody-handed god of the Aeldari, Khaine. Aroused from his throne of smouldering iron, the avatar of the god of war and murder leads the warriors of his craft world to battle. Huge and all-powerful, the avatar is God incarnate, the embodiment of the Aeldari racial soul, and a deadly opponent even for the most mighty powers of chaos. It is said that after the birth of the chaos god Slaanesh, she who thirsts, during the fall of the Aeldari in the 30th millennium, she fought and killed the ancient Aeldari gods one by one in the Immaterium, absorbing their essence until her own, just as she had the souls of the Aeldari themselves. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.